half of Industrial Studies subject. We are industrial students from Kasetsart University. We would like to welcome you here today. We will present you a Indorama Polyester Industrial PCL. Let's know more about them. The next is outline. Outline have two parts. The first part is overview of Indorama Polyester Industries PCL, and the next part is 13 questions and our answers. Indorama is a global leader in polyethylene terephthalate manufacturing and recycling with sustainability at the core of its operations. Their business spans resin production, packaging, recycling, and specialty chemicals, serving various industries such as technical polymers. For this visit, we choose the Nakhon Phanom site, which focuses on producing two main types of raw materials: recycled materials and virgin polyester. These materials are then supplied to other companies within the group of further processing into packaging or other finished products. The key products of this site include materials for general use, such as fibers, textiles, and specialty polymers, as well as recycled products like flakes and recycled polyethylene terephthalate, which are used in textiles and packaging. This facility plays a crucial role in driving sustainability in the plastic and polymer industry.
IDEP 0 Level 0 is the highest level of the IDEP 0 module, which represents an overview of the entire system or process in its simplest form. The overview of the Indorama factory consists of four main boxes: supplier Indorama at Nakhon Phanom, Indorama at Rayong, and consumers. Each main box has inputs on the left side of the box, and the outputs of the process are sent out on the right side of the box. The rules, standards, or constraints that control the system operation are written at the top of the box. Finally, the mechanisms, resources, or tools used in the operation are written at the bottom of the box.
The first question is, what are the limitations of the factory between demand and supply? What problems were resolved in the past? And what issues remain unresolved or are in the process of being resolved? And our answer is, there is a growing demand for the production of raw materials, but the current machinery has insufficient capacity to meet this demand. The issue remains unresolved due to space limitations, which prevent expanding or replacing the machines with higher production capacity. Additionally, there is a shortage of polyethylene terephthalate plastic bottles used for recycled products. These bottles must be food grade and free from contaminations caused by other objects being placed inside the bottles. Since 2018, legal restrictions have prohibited the import of plastic bottles from abroad, making the plastic bottles shortage problem unsolvable to date. Okay, so the next topic we will talk about is stakeholders. Who are the suppliers and customers? Is there an import of raw materials or export of products? The part we will talk about is suppliers. The suppliers provide polyethylene terephthalate plastic bottles for recycling. The company receives bottles from various suppliers but enters agreements with major companies to ensure the bottles meet standards. Approximately 130 tons of plastic bottles are received daily, and quality checks are performed to ensure they meet recycling standards. Non-compliant bottles are returned. And customers, the company produces raw materials, supplying them to other factories within the Indorama Group for further processing. Additionally, raw materials are sold to other companies that require them.
3. Detail of key activity, planning, procurement, production, delivery, and return. Planning. The marketing department will review and plan production by assessing whether the production can meet customer demand. The assessment is based on the volume of plastic bottle import. Procurement. The primary material required for the factory is PET plastic bottle. The procurement department will manage agreement with large plastic bottle exporters to ensure the bottle meet standard and can recyclable. Most of plastic bottles are sourced from Wong Panit International Company Limited, along with several other companies that supply plastic to the factory. Production. The production process is mostly automated using machinery. However, some steps still require manual labor and engineering and need to monitor the PLC system to ensure the machine operation continuously. Delivery. The product from the factory are all raw material. These are delivered to Indorama Packing Molding Plant located in Rayong, as well as to companies that purchase raw material from the factory. Return. Non-standard and non-recyclable plastic bottles are returned to the supplying company. This process is managed by the procurement department and incurs high return shipping costs. Meanwhile, the raw material produced are graded by the quality of plastic pallet and clearly categorized by fiber type, ensuring that the product do not face return issue from customers.
From the entire process, an IDEF 0 Level 1 diagram can be created, which break down on the process or system from level 0 into more detailed sub-process. Specifically for the Indorama factory in Nakhon Pathom, which produce two products, there will be two diagrams. The first diagram is for the virgin product. It involves receiving order into the pan state, sending the pan source to the source state, and forwarding the order amount to the make state. After that, raw materials such as fibers and textiles are obtained and sent to the delivery state. In case of returns, the products are sent back to the delivery state as before. The second diagram is for the product made from recycled materials. It follows the same process as the virgin product, but includes an additional step of returning non-recyclable plastic bottles during the make state to the return state.
4. Customer satisfaction. Customer engagement is the key strength and important component of the company's sustainability strategy. Variant communication channels are available to facilitate collaboration, gather customer feedback, and gain a deeper understanding of their needs. These channels include regular meetings, teleconference conducted by respective executive and senior management, including CEO and Group CEO, and annual customer satisfaction survey. Customer satisfaction measurement. Strong customer satisfaction is essential for profitable and sustainable business. The company conducts a formal customer satisfaction study every other year as part of its group sustainability strategy, designed to understand and assess customer needs, expectations, and satisfaction with its product and service. The customer satisfaction survey enables the organization to understand customer needs and their satisfaction with its products. This in turn helps the organization to foresee customer future plans in 2023. The customer satisfaction index maintains a consistently high level at 84.82%. 5. Safety, environment, cleanliness, and orderliness. The factory emphasizes physical safety, such as preventing items from falling from height and ensuring forklift safety. Biosafety is not a focus, as contamination from pathogens and bacteria is controlled during the reactor process. There was a chemical leak, but the company was able to quickly control the leak, and it did not impact any individual or the surrounding community. Furthermore, there was no damage to the plant equipment.
Okay, so the next topic is visual management system. A visual management system is implemented in the production process. The workers manually scan plastic batters after sorting to prevent errors. Plastic flakes are categorized by grade, using color-coded bags for easy identification.
7. Production Scheduling System. The production scheduling system is managed by the marketing department, which assesses customer demand to ensure it falls within the production capacity. Once confirmed, the production order is issued and random sample inspections are conducted every 2 hours by the quality control department. After inspection, the products are bagged and prepared for export.
Factory space utilization and material flow. What is the production process? The factory separates the storage area for plastic bottles that have not yet been recycled from the production area. In the recycling section, there is a sorting process to assess whether each bottle meets the specified criteria before entering the production line. Plastic bottles that do not meet the criteria will be removed during this stage, and this area is referred to as the junk shop, where non-recycled materials are managed. For the production section, the factory utilizes a product layout design, focusing on producing products with low variety but high demand. This approach ensures an efficient production process and support large-scale manufacturing continuously. Inventory levels, raw materials, work in process, and finished goods. The factory in Nakhon Pathom produces only raw material, so there are no work in process or finished goods. PET plastic bottles for recycling are stored as inventory with storage capacity for up to 2,500 tons of bottles. The factory also produces fiber-based raw material. Teamwork and work motivation. In the part of teamwork, employees share value focused on enhancing economic, social, and environmental sustainability. And in the part of welfare benefits, interviews with employees indicate that benefits and compensation align with the cost of living. The factory's proximity to residential area is convenient for staff. Machine and equipment conditions and maintenance. Maintenance engineers inspect each machine on a scheduled basis, with inspection intervals varying by machine type. Additionally, engineers continuously monitor the PLC system and address any issue immediately. Management of complexity and variability. Issue arise from a shortage of plastic bottles for recycling, driven by higher than market bottle price and improper waste sorting, resulting in unusable bottles. These challenges have caused occasional halts in recycled product production. Quality management and related standards. The production process involves cleaning plastic bottles with a mix of tap water, caustic soda, and detergent. Wastewater is treated in an on-site treatment plant before being reused, with up to 80% of the water recycled for factory use. ISO and related certifications. ISO 9001 version 2015, ISO 14001 version 2015, ISO 50001 version 2011, ISO 45001 version 2018, and has Ecotech Standard 100, Recycle Claim Standard version 2, Ecomark certificate, and the last one is GRS or Global Recycle Standard. That brings the presentation to the end. Thank you for your attention.